Today I'm going to be unboxing this Cofiyard dual little propane camping grill. So let's go ahead and get started. Comes in this nice carrying case, which is pretty awesome, and it has this little rubber grommet that holds them both together. So this thing's pretty cool. You just kind of like move this up and away, and that's a little nozzle for the gas, which connects here. And we're just gonna open this thing up, check it out. And it's pretty cool, the fact that it has this automatic light switch. You don't have to carry matches or anything like that. And the settings are right here. So the heat settings are right here from high to low. And I love the orange. It looks really, it's really cool. Let's put this thing together. So we're gonna start off with our little gas line here, and look how simple this thing is. I mean, it's really a no-brainer. You just turn this up, boom. Now it's done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna position it to where the tank is sitting upside down. So make sure you don't cross thread this. Tighten it just enough, right there. Boom. Here we go. And this here is just a little propane, all-purpose propane tank. All right, and this is just a 1 pound tank. Things like $8-9. I bought this at Big 5. So for this, you just throw this in here and just screw it in. Pretty simple, guys. Not much to it. All right, now we have that all set up. Let's first test it. We're gonna go ahead and turn the gas. Ooh, you guys hear that? You guys need a close-up of this. Hold on. All right, we're gonna turn this burner on. And let's go ahead and turn the, ooh, you hear how loud it is? Damn, this thing's amazing. This thing's awesome. Look, it fits a pretty big pan. There's a lot of space on this thing. So let's go ahead and turn on our next one. As you can see, it starts to smoke right away. Wow, very impressive. I'm gonna lower this thing. I don't need that much juice. To the right is lower. I'm gonna lower the heat just a little bit. So as you can see, you guys, you can make a bunch of food on this little gas grill. And what I like is it has this little gap here, and that little gap allows these things to center up. That's very important. And this is a 17,000 BTU dual gas burner, and like I said, it's made by Cofiyard. It's pretty amazing. So check it out. Hopefully this helps you guys.